We have a list of 10 best places to visit in Vietnam. Number 1. Ha Long Bay. One of the world's most spellbinding sea views. Number 2. Ho Chi Minh City. The buzzing and crazy commercial hub of the country. Number 3. Hue. One of Vietnam's most historic towns. Number 4. Phong Nha Kẻ Bàng National Park. A dramatic karst mountain formation honeycombed with huge caverns. Number 5. Sapa Countryside. The verdant rice field countryside surrounding Sapa, bordered by the jagged peaks of the Hoang Linh Mountains. Number 6. Hanoi. Capital is the frenetic heartbeat of the nation and a place that befuddles travelers as much as it charms them. Number 7. Nha Trang. The well-maintained beach trundles for 6 kilometers along the shoreline of central Nha Trang city. Number 8. Cu Chi Tunnels. An extensive tunnel network that during the war, allowing VC troops to operate and communicate. Number 9. Ba Binh National Park. Absolutely stunning with the 3 interlinked Ba Binh lakes at its heart. Number 10. Mekong Delta. Allow you to explore the U Minh Mangrove Forest and Khao Mau Nature Reserve. Thanks for watching. Visit my channel for more videos.